Okay, so I'm trying out 4K mode. It's definitely way cropped in. So I might just use this for shooting vehicles and such rather than doing this vlog type thing. Pretty cropped in.
Yeah. I don't like it.
So I don't know. Looks clear, looks good. You guys tell me. But I'm gonna switch it to 1080p right now and then explain, because focus is also going in and out pretty crazy, so give me a second. Okay, we're back into 1080p. You can definitely see the difference on the crop on that, so that's pretty crazy. Also put my ISO back to auto, so now it's lighter. But I can't say the same for outside. Outside's pretty shitty right now. But there's a car show going on here in Kearney up at the event center. We're gonna try to go and see what's there, do some shooting. But first, we need coffee and we need
donuts.
Yeah, so let's go. Oh shit, so sorry.
Yeah, I'm about mine. Every day I gotta go grind. Money on the thing on my mind. I ain't got time. Too many.
All right, guys. Looks like there's a few vehicles here. It's not like as huge as last year's. Not a very big amount of people too, but still a good turnout for vehicles. It looks like the weather is pretty shitty out. We had a bunch of tornadoes and stuff last night, so it is what it is. People are probably just not bringing them in, or you know, they're just staying out. This is till 4 and it could pick up then, but let's go ahead and get you guys some footage of what's going on, the cars, and kind of go from there. So enjoy.
Chooky Beat.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the footage of the car show. There was a really good amount of cars that showed up. A lot of unique stuff, a lot of old stuff, new stuff. It's cool to see the mix of everything as well too. More people are starting to show up, so it's kind of getting a little harder to get shots without people walking back and forth. But I did notice on the 4K that autofocus was kind of stabling in and out, so I might try to figure out what that is. And hopefully the shots weren't extremely shaky as far as the gimbal goes, because I didn't have the Rode mic on, so it wasn't used to the weight. Again, I'll have to figure that out, but so what we're out here doing is just practicing and getting all the shots and, you know, doing the coverage. I enjoy doing this stuff. So again, and lastly, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out the Instagram, TikTok. On TikTok, I'm starting to do Motivational Mondays and Fun Fact Fridays, so stay tuned for that and check those out. Also follow me and like the Facebook page as well too. I'll post all the upcoming events and car shows that I know about on there, so that way you guys can know and possibly come and meet us out here and check everything out. So I'm Blake, this is 90.91. Thank you guys for tuning in.